I am so excited to announce that the Cricut Joy Xtra has officially arrived, and it is the perfect model for a beginner who wants to make all the most popular projects with their Cricut machine without sacrificing the affordability or the compact nature of a cutting machine. Here are some key differences between the original Cricut Joy and the new Cricut Joy Xtra. Number one, the Joy Xtra can do print and cut, whereas the original Cricut Joy was not built with a sensor to accommodate the print and cut process. If you are not sure what print and cut is, let me explain. Print and cut is the process of printing an image out through Design Space on your home inkjet printer and loading it onto your Cricut mat for Cricut to cut around the outline of the image. This function is very popular for things like decals, stickers, tags, and labels. Number two, the Cricut Joy Xtra can cut at a wider format than the original Joy, opening up loads of new project options. The Cricut Joy Xtra can cut projects at 8.5 by 11 inches on the machine mat and up to 4 foot long with the Smart Materials. Number three, the Joy Xtra also comes with the option of a new card mat. And this new card mat can accommodate not just the Joy card inserts, but also the other card insert sizes that currently work with the Maker and Explore models. This means more card colors and insert opportunities when you're using your Cricut Joy Xtra to cut out cards. So what exactly can the Cricut Joy Xtra do? What materials can it cut? The Cricut Joy Xtra cuts over 50 different materials, similar to what the original Joy can do, but with the benefit of print and cut, of course. The Cricut Joy Xtra excels at materials such as vinyl, iron-on, printable materials, cardstock, and more. And the Joy Xtra comes with an all-new, perfectly sized Smart Material so that you can enjoy cutting matless just as before. With the Cricut Joy Xtra, you can foil and write and draw in a variety of fonts and styles and line weights just like you could with the original Joy. And did I mention that it does print and cut? Hello, full color stickers! So who exactly is the Cricut Joy Xtra for? If you're in the market for your very first cutting machine, the Cricut Joy Xtra may be the perfect fit for you. It's compact and lightweight, it weighs less than 6 pounds, making it very portable, just like the original Joy. The Joy Xtra is a great model for a beginner because it allows you to cut all the most popular materials so you can create endless personalized projects and handmade gifts. Now, you might also be thinking, what new accessories do you need for the Cricut Joy Xtra? You can use the same foil tool and pens with the Xtra as you did with the original Joy, so there is no need to buy those again. However, there are a few new materials and accessories you may want to add to make the most out of your Cricut Joy Xtra machine. First would be the new card insert mat. So this is made to fit just the Cricut Joy Xtra machine. There is also an 8.5 by 11 light grip and standard grip mat. There is new Cricut sticker paper, printable vinyl, and of course you would need a home inkjet printer to try out that new print and cut feature. Did we mention that? You may be wondering, does the Cricut Joy Xtra work with Design Space or the Joy app? The Cricut Joy Xtra works best with the Design Space app that works with the original Joy as well as other models such as the Maker's Explore and Venture machine. You can use Design Space with the Joy Xtra on your desktop or mobile devices. Design Space at this time is the recommended and preferred app to use when working with your Joy Xtra. It gives you the most robust tools to customize the projects you want to make with the Cricut Joy Xtra. The Joy Xtra is a great starter machine, and if you fall in love with using it, then you can always explore upgrading to one of the larger machines down the line, such as a Maker model. Now, what about existing machine owners? If you own the original Cricut Joy machine, the Xtra may be a fantastic upgrade for you. You can still keep things compact while giving yourself the freedom to create full colored stickers, other print and cut projects, plus more card size variations and a wider format for bigger projects with the Joy Xtra. And if you are a Maker or Explore owner, don't forget to spread the word about the Joy Xtra because your friends or family members might be in the market for a new cutting machine, and this one really packs a punch. So where can you get the Cricut Joy Xtra? The Xtra is going to be available starting September 7th, 2023 online at Cricut.com and also major retailers like Joann's, Michael's, and more. So what other questions do you have for me about the new Cricut Joy Xtra machine? I'll be chatting in the comments of this video, sharing my feedback and experience with testing the latest cutting machine to join the club. I'll see you there. Bye for now.